PmP, it's gluten-free kitchen disclaimer. The information presented in this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. It is not intended to be a substitute for professional advice from a registered dietitian or qualified healthcare provider. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any decisions about your health or treatment. The content of this video is for general educational purposes only and should not be used to diagnose or treat any medical condition. The information contained in the multimedia content for Pinch Me Please is Gluten-Free Kitchen posted represents the views and opinions of the original creators of such video content. The mere appearance of video content on the site does not constitute an endorsement by PmP Kitchen or its affiliates of such video content. The video content has been made available for informational and educational purposes only. PmP Kitchen does not make any representation or warranties with respect to the accuracy, applicability, fitness, or completeness of the video content. PmP Kitchen does not warrant the performance, effectiveness, or applicability of any sites listed or linked to any video content. The video content is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Never disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you have read or seen on the site. PmP Kitchen hereby disclaims any and all liability to any party for any direct, indirect, implied, punitive, special, incidental, or other consequential damages arising directly or indirectly from any use of the video content, which is provided as is and without warranties.